Owain, you're up with the Welsh squad again. Just before we talk about the Welsh situation, though, you had a fantastic season with Tranmere. I mean, they're at the top of League One, keeping clean sheets, playing regularly. It must be a good period for yourself at club level.
Yeah, definitely. I think we've played 11 games now in the season. We're top of the table. Only conceded 6 goals and I've got 6 clean sheets, so things can't be too bad. Hopefully that'll continue now.
In terms of the international call, you've been with the squad a few times, still waiting for that first cap. And I know, I mean, as a proud Welshman, the area you come from, you've mentioned to me before, it would mean a heck of a lot to you to represent your country, wouldn't it?
Definitely. Well, when I was a schoolboy, I used to travel all the way from North Wales down south here to watch most of the games being played, so I know exactly what it's like to be travelling all the way down in a coach for 4.5 hours, maybe 5.5 hours to watch a game of football. It's not just a game of football, there's a bit more to it. It's that shirt you put on, the proud, you know, the pride, everything, and hopefully that call will come soon enough.
There's a bit of competition. There's Lewis Price, there's Jason Brown. I mean, how have you found the week? Obviously, you all want that #1 spot. Do you all get on?
Yes, of course we do. It's the Goalkeepers Union, isn't it? But no, you know, all 3 of us, I'm sure, have come here looking at the chance to play Friday night. Whoever it'll be, and the other 2 will support whoever takes the shirt and plays. And the main thing for Wales is that we beat Scotland on Friday night. Sorry.
I was going to say, in terms of the game, coming off the defeats against Belgium, a good performance. I don't think anyone foresaw what would happen in Serbia. What's it been like, the squad getting together after such a defeat? It's not as if, like, at a club level, 2 days later you're in training, get it out of your system. It's 3 weeks to a month on. What's it been like in the squad?
Yeah, well, to be honest with you, I think all the boys have put that behind them. All the lads are looking forward for the next 2 games. That, you know, they're not easy games, they're hard games to play. But we're lucky that the Scotland games come up quite, you know, fairly early-ish after the defeat, the last game. But main thing is that we do put things right and have a good performance.
You think it helps? It's Scotland, it's the Celtic brotherhood, it's a local derby. Plus, in terms of the nature of the players, you know more what to expect than when you go to Serbia or Croatia, where maybe you're up against players you're not too familiar with.
Definitely. Well, we know, well, most of the lads will know exactly what they come up against. So, you know, all the lads will be well up for it and ready to give them a game.
You see, from the next 2 games, Scotland and Croatia, we really need 3 points just in one of them anyhow to get the campaign back on track.
Yeah, hopefully it'll come. You know, if it's Friday, then it's Friday. If not, then we'll be aiming to beat Croatia on Tuesday. But main thing is that we stay together and perform.